After putting one wiper on and then turning it on, it appears the wiper assembly is in the wrong spot. It's completely 8 inches further away from the end of the window that needs to be. So this is just not going to do. It's completely shit, really. Some idiot put this in the wrong spot. So we're going to have to address this in this episode. This is not my favorite part. I hate doing body work. It's not fun at all. But it's just part of the deal here, and I have to get it done. Yeah, my go-to is just to do a bunch of little stitch welds and not throw so much heat into the panel and just bounce around. It doesn't have to be exactly pretty because we're just gonna flatten it out anyways. This was one of the holes for the wiper blade, and this was the other one over here. So when I weld, I'll kind of bounce around. I'll go over here and start lynching this back. And when I feel like that gets too hot, I'll just bounce around again. All right, so this is gonna take a little bit of time, so I'll just kind of check back in once I'm done. All right, guys, we're looking pretty decent here as far as the wiper assembly here. I got it already tacked in, welded here. Pretty happy with that. It's got like a little wobble to it. So I'm probably gonna do another bracket on the bottom just to like really make this thing sturdy. It's not like crazy loose, but it's a little loose here. But before I do that, I think I'm gonna tackle the wipers again. I've already modded this once now already, but I basically, what I gotta do here now, how do I say this? Since I moved this whole assembly over, it changed the way the wiper blade sits on the window. Like looking at it straight, it's tilted this way a little bit. So what I gotta do is I gotta come in here. I gotta cut this weld from a previous job I did. I have to cut it and twist it counterclockwise just a little bit and re-weld it. I have to finish that weld too and grind it smooth. But I just need to get this to sit straight on the window. It does work as is, but we need to straighten that out. So I'll probably do that next, and then I have to modify the passenger side wiper blade as well, which they're just like a generic truck wiper, but they're too long. So I basically had to cut out like a 5-inch section here and just kind of play with it until it fits in a spot that looks pretty good on the window, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just gonna crack on. I'll get it back. All right, now with this all straightened out, let's get this back on the car. Needs a little bit of finagling, but it's good for now. Re-welded, sanded back. I did put the wiper blades, the assembly back where it would normally sit relative to the car. So I just need to get this right at the bottom where I like it. Let's see what that looks like. That's too high, so I had to pull it back. Turn it a little bit. Still a little high up. That's a little. All right, that looks pretty good. Somewhere right there, because I want this to sit at the bottom when it's fully off. Snug that up. Oh, that's a fast one. That's got to be. Here we go. Pretty happy with that. Sits better on the windshield. I just gotta work out the other one now on that side, and hopefully this will be it. This is just a test plug I have on this side. I'm just using it to tinker with this until it's finally in a spot where I like it. Then I'm gonna have to go back and extend this plug to make it reach, because right now it's about 8 inches too short from the motor right there. But luckily I had this spare one, so I can kind of tinker with it and see how it sits and moves throughout this process. And with that, the second wiper is done. I just bolted it up. Let's see how it fits here. I think we're gonna call that a win. I think I just gotta tweak this a little bit to straighten it out. And this stuff is so thin, you can just kind of bend it with a pair of pliers. That's what I'm gonna do. Just to get it to sit a little more perpendicular with the window here. But other than that, we're golden. Well, let's give it a go real quick and see what she does. Nice. Looks more even with the car too being 8 inches over to the right. The only thing I really don't like about this is that these are kind of big and bulky. But I think later on down the road, if I really wanted to, I could probably just get like the mini ones. And they have like a push-on cap style, but on my other car, I know you can just like drill these holes and still use these bolts, these nuts just to lock them down. And that seems to work all right too. So maybe I might go that route. But for now, I think this will do the trick. I just don't know what's gonna happen if I open up the bonnet, if it's gonna foul this part a little bit. That's something we're gonna have to wait and see when I get the bonnet back on. But for now, that's golden. I just gotta extend the loom a little bit to fit the plug right, which is only 4 Ys. And I'll just cut and splice it, extend it, stuff like that. And then I'll go back and flush these out. And I do need another mount because it does wobble a little bit. Not crazy, but it does need one more mount just to make it nice and solid. And then that'll be it for the wiper blades. So I went ahead and I welded on these little tabs right here. They're about a 1/8 inch thickness maybe. And what I did was I welded it to the bracket and then to the main firewall, which is a 16 gauge. So now it's basically tied into the scuttle panel and the firewall. So it's almost like a triangulated, squared structure, if you will. I wouldn't say it made it 100% solid, but it did tighten it up quite a bit. And it keeps it out of the way and well hidden. And I think this is going to do a good job. Okay, so for now, I think I'm going to call it on this one. I'll get the bonnet back on next time and I'll finish this firewall. I started filling in this hole so I can kind of close this all fully now for the final time. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.